Hi, this is Tracy and Tammy from Snazzy Moon Designs. Tammy's holding the camera.
Hi.
Today we're going to make a video that's going to compare Hiipoo ink with Printer's Jack ink. I use both of those, and as far as I can see, there's no difference. So I'm going to make a video so you can see for yourself if there's a difference between the two inks. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm marking these two sheets of sublimation paper. I marked one Hiipoo and I marked the other one Printer's Jack. That way we can know which one is which. Now the printer I have on the bottom here, the ET4760, has Hiipoo ink in it, so we'll put that in there. And the ET15000 has Printer's Jack, so we'll put that one in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print off the same design on both printers, and once I get those printed out, we'll cut them and tape them to the tumbler, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so both designs are finished printing, and as I mentioned, this top printer has Printer's Jack in it. It's hard to write on here. And this bottom one has Hiipoo. That way we can keep them separated here. So let's take them over here. And as you can see, between the two, there's not, as far as it's printed on the design, you don't see hardly any difference. I can't really tell, can you?
I don't see any difference.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and cut these, trim them, and put them on a tumbler. So first, I'm going to do the Hiipoo design. Set this over here. We'll trim this Hiipoo up. I've got these, they print out at 9.4 by 8.2, so I'll have to trim them down just a hair. Trim it, oh, just that little bit right there. Okay. Trim it out real quick. This is a Carl rotary trimmer. Best thing I bought to trim these with. Nice clean straight lines. Now once I trim it, I'm going to take my tumbler. It's already been wiped down and everything. And we're going to check and see if it's going to fit. Yes, it's going to fit very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and tape it up real quick. And I have a video that shows my taping process, so I'm not going to really explain how I tape. I just want to get it taped. But I have another video. It shows you how and explains how I tape my tumbler, the best way to tape them to prevent ghosting and to have a really nice seam line. I use this tumbler taping stand that I make and sell on Etsy. It stops the tumblers from rolling around all over the place. And once I get this one taped up, we'll continue the video. Okay, I've got the Hiipoo design tumbler ready for sublimation. Now I'm going to cut up the, or trim up the Printer's Jack design. Same thing. Okay, tumbler. Go ahead and get this one on there, and then we'll start the video again. Okay, so we're back. We Everything on these two tumblers were exactly the same. The printer settings, the way we tape them. The only difference is the ink. This one has the Hiipoo ink. This one has the printer's jack ink. So let's see what they look like. We're going to open the Hiipoo ink first. Well,
I'm usually the one who opens them.
I'm not usually the one that unwraps these. Let's switch. I'm not the one that unwraps them. Let's watch the expert unwrap. Look at that. So this tumbler here is the tumbler that was printed with the Hiipoo ink, if I'm saying that right. Printer settings were all exactly the same. The presets, it's ASUB paper, 125 grams. The only difference is the ink.
Oh, these are going to be pretty colors.
And usually after we take the paper off, we wipe off the paper residue. Get the paper residue off. This one here looks very nice and vibrant. Again, this is the one with the Hiipoo ink.
Okay, there's Hiipoo.
This is Hiipoo.
Okay, I'm going to do printer's jack now.
Now we're going to unwrap the printer's jack ink. And what I'll do is I'll make a little video of each one of these on the tumbler stand so we can compare them. While she's unwrapping that one, we'll look at this one. The seam line looks really nice. I don't see any ghosting along the bottom or the top. Like I said, I have a video that shows you how we tape these and shrink wrap them. The way you get very nice results. This is the Hiipoo ink tumbler. And in a few minutes we'll see what the printer's jack ink tumbler looks like. This is the printer's jack ink. Take a look at this one. It's printer's jack. This one has a nice seam line. Don't see any ghosting. Okay, now we can compare the two.
Wow. I don't see any difference.
This one here on the left is the Hiipoo. The one on the right is the printer's jack. Colors are very bright, vibrant. And
I honestly don't see any difference.
I don't see any difference between the two inks. Yep, they both look good. So it's up to you whether you want to get Hiipoo or printer's jack, but I don't think you're going to make a mistake using either one. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll post a video of each of these at the end so you can compare. If you like our videos, like and subscribe, and check out my other videos we have on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.